Here we are sailing 7 seas.
This is awesome. There we go.
Oh, we're ripping now. Oh, just pedaling and steering.
Just go in a circle.
Oh yeah, look at that.
I'm going back now. Let's go back the other way so we can do this. Let's check out the next neighbor's place.
It almost sounds like a motorboat too.
Man, seriously, you can go fishing with this one of these things. It's so easy. Like everyone's got one.
Yeah, look at that fucking little dust trail we're kicking up.
Little lake. Fuck, look at that garage. That's nice.
FT Garage Challenge, you want it?
See, like, look at that dog. Look. Right out of the water. Harry's coming up like, where the hell are they? We're paddling around to that. Wow.
Yeah, it is a nice cottage. Big ass sunroom.
Fuck, I love that garage door. Thank God there's no water in here yet. I still like it, though.
Cracker to the left. Cracker to the right.
Sucks to steer it. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Break time.
Oh, Harry definitely can't do this.
Give yourself.
Nice.
Fuck, too bad there wasn't a couple other people with that boat that wanted to race.
Yeah.
That's a nice pedal boat. I think it's bigger.
I think it's the same.
Think it?
Probably better though. This is fun. Look, I'd rather have a fucking electric motor on this thing
Fuck. Beach floor.
though. You can have a rest off there.